Most people panic when the Dave app stops working, but here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, it's not a major issue, and your account is usually fine. The real problem is small glitches, settings, or verification issues that people overlook. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn exactly why the Dave app is not working in 2026, the most common causes, and step-by-step fixes to get it working again fast. Let's start right away. First, check the most basic issue. Internet connection. It sounds simple, but it's the #1 reason the app freezes or fails to load. If your connection is weak or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, Dave may not sync properly. So switch networks and reopen the app. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users don't realize that server issues happen too. If Dave's servers are down, nothing on your side will fix it. In that case, you just need to wait and try again later. For example, Jake tried logging in multiple times during a server outage and thought his account was blocked, but it wasn't. Next possible issue is outdated app version. If you haven't updated Dave in a while, it can break login or advanced features. Go to the App Store or Play Store and make sure you're running the latest version. But here's the problem most people miss. Cache and app data buildup. Over time, corrupted cache can cause loading errors. Clearing cache or reinstalling the app often fixes everything instantly. Let's move to another common cause. Bank connection issues. Dave relies on a linked bank account to function properly. If your bank login expired or your account disconnected, features like cash advances won't work. For example, Alex changed banks and forgot to reconnect it, and the app stopped showing his balance. Now here's a big one. If your income deposits are inconsistent or missing, some features inside Dave may not appear. The app needs financial activity to calculate eligibility, so no recent deposits can temporarily limit functionality. Also check login credentials. Sometimes users simply enter the wrong email or use Apple or Google login inconsistently. Switching login methods can solve access issues quickly. In a minute. Here's the key takeaway most users ignore. If multiple fixes fail, reinstalling the app completely and relinking your bank account solves the majority of issues. To summarize, Dave not working is usually caused by internet issues, outdated app versions, cache problems, bank disconnection, or server downtime. None of these are permanent problems, and most can be fixed in a few minutes. If this helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video, leave a comment about what worked for you, and subscribe for more simple app fix guides like this.